Hello, kids! Are you ready to dive into the world of colors? Let's start our fun learning journey together. The first color is purple. It's the color of a shiny eggplant. Isn't it bold and beautiful? Next, we have white, the color of fluffy clouds in the sky and fresh snow on a winter morning. It feels so calm and peaceful, don't you think? Now, let's look at black. It's the color of the night sky filled with twinkling stars or a sleek black cat. Black is so bold and mysterious. Moving on, we have brown, the color of strong tree trunks and the rich soil that helps plants grow. It's such a warm and earthy color. Next is gray. Gray reminds us of gentle elephants and soft clouds before the rain. It's such a soothing and calm color. Finally, let's talk about golden, the color of bright sunlight, sparkling gold coins, and treasures. It feels magical and special. Wow, kids! You've learned so many beautiful colors today: purple, white, black, brown, gray, and golden. Aren't these colors amazing? Now, look around and see if you can spot these colors in your home or outside in nature. Share what you've learned with your friends and family. Great job today! See you next time for more fun and learning. Bye-bye.